Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play safe in his arms on piano. First, let's identify the key signature and time signature of the piece. Then, focus on learning the four fundamental chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords, ensuring each change feels natural and connected. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid understanding of the song's harmony. Now let's bring in the melody. Concentrate on playing the right hand notes accurately, paying attention to their rhythm and phrasing. For your left hand, establish a simple accompaniment pattern, perhaps using root notes or basic arpeggios. Begin by coordinating both hands at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing speed as your comfort and accuracy improve. This step builds the core of the song. To truly make Safe in His Arms expressive, focus on dynamics. Vary your playing volume from soft passages to louder sections to convey the song's emotional depth. Thoughtfully use the sustain pedal to connect phrases and create a rich, resonant sound. Allow your personal interpretation to shine through, shaping the music to reflect the song's heartfelt message. This adds beauty and feeling. For effective learning, practice Safe in His Arms in short, focused sessions each day. If you encounter difficult sections, break them down and practice them separately before rejoining them with the rest of the piece. Listening to different recordings can offer valuable inspiration and help you refine your interpretation. Remember, consistent and thoughtful practice is key to mastering this beautiful song. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.